Today I'm going to be making some cabbage, well, chicken soup for her, basically for Gina Bear and the dogs because it's Friday. I'm going to put more potatoes. I'm going to peel potatoes, chop them up into 1-inch cubes or 2-inch cubes, and put all this chicken to boil in a big pot. I was going to shred the cabbage, but I'm just going to chop this up because who has time to shred all this cabbage? And where are the carrots? I have baby carrots. I ordered regular carrots. I didn't have any, so I substituted for baby carrots from Walmart. Oh, there they are. Walmart delivery. So I'm gonna open them up and put them. These things look better anyway. You don't get a chunk of little carrots. The chicken. The vegetables. Where are the carrots? Right here. I have to put the chicken into the water. I'm gonna put 10 pieces. I'll just put 8 because it's already full. And after it boils, it's gonna fall apart and it's gonna be enough because I'm gonna add vegetables to it too. Make sure you have a strainer near you so that whenever the excess blood boils up, you can just use the strainer to pick it up to clean out the water, because I'm just going to add the vegetables. After the chicken boils, I'm going to take them out, shred them up, take the bones out, and then just add the vegetables and potatoes. It looks colorless, so I'm going to add some pumpkin to give some color. I think I'm going to add all of the pumpkin because it's just a little bit left, and I'm going to add more water because I have to give them each a ladle, 2 ladles full of soup, and this is not going to be enough if I leave it like that. I filled the plastic container up with water, and I'm going to add this to. That's enough now. Put the fire down and get them to boil. Just flip the cabbage and potatoes. Yes, Gina, it's done, but it's too hot now. I'm gonna add 3 pumps of fish oil because just to give it some flavor.